Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. This is a Toyota RAV4, and I'm going to show you how to prevent the windows. If you have kids or people in the back seat that are just messing with the windows, you press that button, and then the window won't work back there. So look, now it's not pressed, and you hear that? Here, I'll show you. See, that's a window. But if you press this button right here, it locks them. I wonder if it locks this one. It locks all three windows except for the fourth window, which is the driver's, because you are the driver, you are in control. So, this is a Toyota RAV4, and see, Toyota, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3, 4, 5, whole bunch of circles. So, this is the RAV4, and that's the video on this. And I hopefully, this little video showed you how to get the windows to lock and not go down, how to disable the windows, how to disable passenger and back windows on a Toyota RAV4. You have yourself a nice and wonderful day. Have a great day. And remember, be nice to your neighbors. Don't annoy them. So here we are. So we have, that's the lock and unlock and lock for the doors, but this is the window, auto. And you can also double press this and it'll go all down without manually doing it. And you can do that and it goes all the way up itself. It's up and down. And so it has an auto feature. And it's just absolutely amazing. Have a great and wonderful day. Or just have a day.